So if you have just finished 12th and you are feeling completely lost about what to do next, then maybe this video is for you. Exactly at this point last year I was in the same place. I remember 12th boards खत्म हुए थे and सब लोग अपनी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ प्लान कर रहे थे. Someone was preparing for JEE, someone for NEET and कुछ लोगों का college already sorted था. इन सब में I was the one who felt struck, like genuinely struck. मुझे बस एक चीज़ clear थी that I didn't wanted to go into the typical JEE/engineering route. Not because it's bad or something, but I just couldn't see myself doing that for the next few years. But you know, when you remove that one default option, everything else just becomes even more confusing. At a point I was just so damn anxious that I used to randomly look up for colleges and look up for their forms, and I just felt like the safest option is to give as many entrances as possible. But then there was this one day wherein I just realized it to myself that I am just doing things so randomly even without understanding why, and I feel that feeling is very real when you just don't know whether you are making the right decision or just going with the flow. So then I just decided that instead of doing everything at once, I would do a few small things that would end up giving me the clarity I needed. The first thing that genuinely helped me was just pausing and looking around, like properly, not in a rushed way, not under pressure, just looking around what all options do I actually have, कौन से options exist करते हैं about which I even don't have an idea. And you know, this is the one thing that we even don't realize कि हमारे पास कितने सारे options है, because we are just stuck in those 2-3 common paths. But then the moment you start exploring a little deeper, you just realize there are so many different ways to reach at a good space. Second thing that I did was that I did not blindly just follow what everyone else was doing. बहुत tempting होता है to realize that जो सब कर रहे हैं वही सबसे safest option होगा, but तब we don't realize that our lives are going to look way different than theirs. And during this phase, while I was exploring, I also came across different paths that people usually don't talk much about. For example, I found something called Polaris School of Technology. Now it's actually a tech school, not a typical college, and what I found interesting is that how different their approach is. They focus more on coding and real world skills since day one, instead of just making you go through subjects that you might not even connect with. And they even offer specializations like AI, cloud, big data and product management. It's a UGC approved BTech degree offered by Medhavi Skills University in partnership with PST. And just to be very honest here, it's not like I'm just talking about it because I'm working with them. You know, a few days back I've actually been to their campus in Bangalore and I've myself seen the environment there. To me, it genuinely felt very tech focused and practical. So if you're someone who is really interested in tech and you just feel that the traditional route doesn't fit you, you can explore it. I'll make sure that I add the link in the description for you guys. Okay, now moving on, the third thing that helped me was to think beyond the degree. Now I know this might sound off to some people, but taking a more realistic approach, don't you think so that you would rather want to think about what kind of life do you want ahead? Do you want something flexible, something creative, or something stable? Because you know, if you look deeply into it, you'll realize that your course is just not about studies. It eventually shapes your daily life, your routine, your environment. So I feel this is something that you should truly keep into your consideration. And then the last thing which I feel mattered the most to me, that was allowing myself to not have everything figured out immediately. I think we put a lot of pressure on ourselves to have a perfect plan after 12th, but honestly, clarity doesn't come overnight. It takes time, it takes trying out things, and it comes step by step. I think that's the whole purpose of this video, not to tell you what exactly you should do, but to just give you a little direction, a starting point, so that you can just figure things out for yourself in your own way. You don't need to have all the answers just right now. And you know, if you're someone going through this phase, I'd actually love to know what is the one thing that's confusing you the most right now. You can tell me in the comments, and if it's something that I can help you with, I'll definitely try to. This phase feels very overwhelming and I know that, but trust me, you're not stuck here forever. You will figure out things step by step. I did too, but still, if you're feeling this way right now, just know you're not alone in this. Okay, bye.